Hold on, Bo. Jesus, I can't breathe.
There's someone in that smoke. It's the Nature Boy! Oh, no. This weekend, under the stars! It's the meeting you thought could never happen. Radio's bad boys meet up with the Monsters of Midday and Dirty Jim. Tonight, live and in living color at Rat Packs, we got some big boys coming in. It's an evening with the Snack Pack. And tonight, we're gonna go off like an Oregon high school freshman. So get ready, sit back, get ready for the show of a lifetime. Cause we are wheeling dealing, kiss stealing, limousine riding. Some of us are coming in an RV. Learjet flying. We're all gonna be there. Rob Bennington, Mitchell Walters, Billy the Phone Freak, Russ, Bo, Pickle Boy, Bubba, Savannah, the Nature Boy, Paulo, and the Dirty Guy driving the RV. Tonight it all happens, and you may not like it. Get your tickets in advance. But you will learn to love it. Why? Bottom line, it's the bad boys, it's the monsters, it's real radio, 104.1